You ever hear your car start up and sounds like this? I'm going to show you what could be the cause of it. You hear that? So we can go out here and I'm going to show you here what might be causing it. And it could be an easy fix. So first we got to take off the oil lid here. And then you got to take this cover off. There's a couple ways you can test if your solenoid is bad here. You could do is you could use a multimeter to test it, or you can just take this off, press the green button, and take that off, and start your engine, and use a napkin or a piece of paper, and if it's sucking in, it means it's clogged. If it's holding the paper, it's clogged. So we're gonna go ahead and start this up and see if that's the case here. We're gonna go ahead and start the car up here. And put a piece of paper in there and see if it's clogged. Take a piece of little napkin here, I'm gonna put it here. Turn it up a little bit more here. Oh yeah, it's clogged. You can see it's clogged because once you start the engine, it's supposed to close this off, and then you won't have air suck coming in. So it is clogged. So that's how you test it if it's bad. When I bought brand new solenoid here, and I paid about $10 for it. You can go on Amazon and pay $10 for it. I'll have a link on the bottom for you guys. Push this if you need to replace it. Make sure it's the same part and everything. It's pretty simple to change out. And you can see here it's exactly identical to it. This is it goes like that. And this is, I believe, a 10 mil bolt. Yeah. Yeah. So you just take out, just loosen this here, just like this, guys, and it comes right off. Okay. First, you want to do is connect this hole, like I did earlier. Again, you press the green button that pops off, right? Here, let me show you guys. Okay, you press the green button, that comes right off, and then here, press this switch here, this comes right off. Just like that, okay? Then you get your 10 millimeter and loosen it up. Now it's pretty easy to loosen up. And voila, that's it. Okay. So you could put everything on the same way. Clean it up a little bit here. Inspect your hole here, it's pretty clean. And then just put this back on here. Yeah, $10 fix, pretty cheap. This helps your startup engine if you have sputter or it's like choking when you start up, but sometimes it idles in the middle of your driving. It's because of this here. Just a little bit tight, not too tight, right? Okay, get it all tied up. Plug this orange plug back on. And before I plug this back on, I'm gonna test it one more time to make sure it's not clogged. So I'm gonna start the car up. And then I'm gonna test it. See if it's clogged. Oh yeah, it's not clogged. You see that? It's actually not sucking that paper. It's not stick anymore. So it worked to fix the solenoid. Quick, turn it off and we're gonna connect the wire back on here. Again, this just snaps on, guys. Push it down and voila. And that's it. And that's how you replace it. Pretty simple. Okay, take this back off, put the lid back on. Whenever I work, I always put this oil cover back on because you never know anything might fall into it. Okay, cover it up. So now you won't have any more oil build up in your exhaust here and your oil lid. So hopefully that helps your car start up and everything. Until next time, guys, see you in the next video. Bye now.